Welcome to Always Dolls. This is Sarah and I hope you're having a great day. With the release of Summer Mckinney, Girl of the Year 2025 coming soon, speculation about her is building. So today, we thought to make accessory items that could be from Summer's meet outfit. In this video, we show you how to turn simple crafting materials into Summer's colourful platform sandals. We also make her cute puppy-inspired purse and Summer's ultra-adorable topknot headband. If you enjoy this video, hit the like button and subscribe to support our crafty content. There is a lot to share, so let's get making! For an 18-inch doll headband, source extra large popsicle sticks. Ours measure 20 centimeters long, but we need to reduce the width. Mark, then cut away the long edges to give you a thinner popsicle stick. Following this, sand the edges smooth again. Next, soak your popsicle stick in water for at least an hour. Once the wood becomes flexible, carefully bend the stick to fit inside a coffee mug. Leave overnight or longer for the wood to dry out and take its new shape. We now have made a basic doll headband that you can paint and decorate in many ways, but we want to mimic Summer's cute topknot design. Choose a fabric in the colour or pattern of your liking. Today, we are using this pink polka dot. On the wrong side of the fabric, trace around another popsicle stick, extending the length to create your pattern. Double up the fabric and cut around your lines, leaving a 5mm seam allowance. Hand or machine stitch over the lines, but leave a gap to turn the fabric out. Then tuck under any raw edges. Next, cut a long thin strip of the same fabric to cover the headband. Apply a small dot of hot glue on the inside of the band to secure the material, then tightly wrap it, overlapping slightly so no wood is seen. Lock the fabric in place with a drop of hot glue at the other end. Find the center of the headband and apply hot glue to the underside. Attach your fabric sash, adhering just the middle section to the headband. Now tie a regular knot. Adjust to make it the right size, then pull the tails over the side of the headband, checking they finish at the tip. Hot glue the tails in place, then tuck the ends under, securing with more hot glue. Great! Now your doll has a super cute and trendy topknot headband. And best of all, using this process, you can make many headbands in all different colours and fabrics. Leaked pictures suggest Summer has a pastel palette, but she also looks good in bright yellow and sage green. To make colourful doll sandals, we are using this American Girl pair for size reference. We have taken measurements and made a shoe pattern, link in the description box. Start with the sole template. Trace and cut it from paperboard 4 times per shoe. Stack and glue them together, then paint a mint green colour to match Summer's possible meet shoes. For the platform element, we took a scrap of 10mm foam board. Trace the sole, flipping the template to get a left and right foot. Cut them out as best you can. To cover the exposed foam edge, cut a strip of thin white fun foam, the same thickness as the platform. Then glue it around the foam board sole with the seam join on the inside of the shoe piece. Once the glue has dried, paint the platform edge the same mint green. Affix the paperboard sole to the platform. Since we stacked multiple layers of paperboard, the sandal has some weight. Next, trace 2 of the heel template onto your fun foam and cut out. Fold the piece in half, pinching to make a crease. Also fold and crease the bottom tab as indicated in the template. Cut notches from the tab area to help us fit the heel piece later. Repeat on your second one, then paint them yellow. Mark the center back of the sole and align it with the center crease of your fun foam heel. Put liquid glue on the tab areas, then join the pieces together, carefully matching the curve of the sole's heel. Since we are using thin fun foam, it was easy to mold and had some stretch. Next, cut the ankle strap from fun foam and paint this part yellow. Affix it across the heel piece as seen on screen, leaving 3 cm of overhang on the outside of the shoe. Cut the bridge strap from fun foam and paint this part pink. Attach one end to the toe area of the platform. Then fit the shoe on your doll's foot to mark where the strap will finish. You want the strap to be taut, but not too tight. Trim off any excess fun foam, then adhere accordingly. Neaten the top of the platform and sandwich the tabs securely by gluing in another sole piece made of fun foam painted pink. To secure the sandal strap, make a simple square buckle from a paper clip. Take the shorter end of the ankle strap and loop it through the buckle. Glue the strap back on itself, holding in place with mini pegs so it doesn't shift. Repeat this step for the other shoe strap. Now your doll has custom-made sandals, perfect for accessorizing with a summer or spring outfit. Okay, let's craft Summer's puppy-inspired purse. Source something round that has a similar diameter to a Pringles can. Trace 2 circles onto paperboard and cut them out. Glue your circles onto white felt. Cut them out with an allowance so you can fold over the extra felt, securing on the other side. Cut a long rectangle of felt that has a 1 cm border top and bottom. Make notches along the border so we have tabs that will make our fabric more malleable. Apply liquid glue, or better yet, fabric glue, to the tabs on one side first. Position the start of the strip against the wrong side of the felt-covered circle and curve, ensuring the felt connects right up to your borderline. Keep going until you have attached all the tabs. Neaten the inside of the bag with another paperboard disc. On the second felt-covered circle, sketch a cute puppy face, then go over the lines with a black marker. For the ears, double layer scraps of white felt with a longer pink felt arch on top. Make a second, then cut them out as seen on screen. Using an X-Acto blade, cut angled slits at both top corners of your circle. Push the extra pink felt through the slots, adhering to the backside with more glue. Now attach the front of the bag to the remaining tabs. It helped to use mini pegs to hold everything in place while working. To access the inside of the bag, cut slits of equal length through the center of the felt strip. For a shoulder strap, we are using white satin ribbon. Glue the ribbon to one side of the bag, then drape it over your doll's shoulder to judge the length before cutting off the excess ribbon and affixing it to the other side. This DIY puppy purse is simple but so cute, and it's the perfect size for storing doggy treats. If you'd like to make more possible Girl of the Year summer-themed crafts, check out our DIY pet spa and daycare set or pet boutique videos. See you soon for more miniature crafting fun!